Let me ask you something. Kapag nawala ng hospital mo ng 29,250 sa isang pneumonia case, sino ang sinisisi mo? PhilHealth or the history and physical exam? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most claims are not denied because treatment was wrong. They are denied because documentation cannot defend the treatment. And yes, masakit marinig. But if you want stable hospital income, you need to hear this. There are three silent killers inside your history and physical. First, lack of admissibility. Doctor writes, admitted due to pneumonia. That's it. Walang severity indicators, walang failed outpatient management, walang vital signs showing instability. Now think like an auditor. If this case could be outpatient, why was it admitted? Kapag walang documented admissibility factors, PhilHealth assumes overutilization. And once that assumption enters review, claim denied. Not reduced. Denied, entire case rate gone. The doctor believes admission was correct. But the chart cannot prove it. Medicine is science. Claims is evidence. If you don't document severity and risk, you are inviting rejection. Second, inconsistent diagnosis. Chief complaint says mild cough. Assessment says severe pneumonia. Labs minimal, no oxygen requirement, no respiratory distress. So, ano talaga ang kwento ng chart? Mild or severe? When diagnosis is not supported by HPI, PE, and labs, that's inconsistency. And inconsistency creates credibility issues. Auditors follow alignment. Kapag hindi tugma ang documentation, red flag, and red flag leads to denial. Third, diagnosis does not match clinical management. You declare moderate risk pneumonia. But management, oral antibiotics, no IV, early discharge. So question, if moderate risk ito, why is management mild? You cannot document severe illness and treat it like mild because now the chart contradicts itself. And auditors look for logic. Always. If management does not justify diagnosis, payment is at risk. Here's the bigger issue. Doctors document for patient care, but claims are reviewed for defensibility. Different mindset. Unless you bridge that gap, you will keep losing claims quietly. Admissibility, consistency, alignment with management, fix these three, and rejection rate drops. If you want deeper strategies on how to bulletproof your documentation, follow Coach Doc Ben. Because in this field, income is not about how good you treat. It's about how well you prove it. This is Coach Doc Ben. See you soon.